In this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete your Pinterest account. Deleting your Pinterest account is a simple process that can be completed in just a few quick and easy steps. To get started, open up the Pinterest mobile app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right. And then tap the account management option. Once you are on this page, you'll see the delete your data and account option. Go ahead and tap on it. Deleting your account is permanent and means you won't be able to get your pins or boards back. All your Pinterest account data will be deleted. If you're ready to leave forever, we'll send you an email with the final step. And it will show you the email address associated with your Pinterest account. Tap on the Continue button. And then select a reason why you are deleting your Pinterest account. Tap Send Email. Now Pinterest will email you a deletion link. So open up that email, tap on that link, and follow the on-screen instructions to permanently delete your account. It's important to remember that this action is irreversible, so be sure that you no longer want to use Pinterest before deleting your account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.